We often get asked, can you capitalize on a downtrending or crashing market? It can be done, and I'm going to give you some tips and strategies to do that today. Welcome back, everyone. Lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. So we're in a period of extreme volatility. It's great for trading. We've been in a great bull market ever since the market crash, the market correction in 2008, 2009. We've been on a long bull market, 8, 9, almost 10 years now. Especially the last couple years, things have gotten really parabolic to the upside. Remember, markets don't go up forever. At some point, the market will correct, will shake out before it starts its trend, ideally back towards the upside. So what do you do when that market crash comes? How do you capitalize on this? Do you just not trade? Do you miss opportunities? Or do you capitalize and profit on it? It can be done. One of the best ways to do that is start learning how to short sell. There's a lot of videos on our channel. You can check them out. We talk about short selling quite frequently. Steady Trade Podcast, we talk about shorting all of the time. It's a technique where you can make money when stocks go down. So when and if this crash comes or this correction comes, you can make money as these stocks fall. So start practicing. Use the StocksToTrade paper trading module to test shorting strategies. Research it, watch more of our videos, learn how to do it. But remember, you can make money when stocks go down. But you have to focus on the best stocks. So we have the tools in StocksToTrade to spot these stocks that have made big gains and have crashed in the past. Remember, the past repeats, history repeats. So you look for these stocks that have ran big and crashed hard in the past. These are on your scanners, they're on your radar, and you can look to short sell these over days and weeks and make huge gains. Also, look for stocks with what we call a straight up vertical chart. You know, if a stock is just trending up every day for days, weeks, and months, and when that big market correction comes, you know that people are going to be looking to take profits. People are going to look to sell that stock. The beauty of short selling is you're selling the same time the long-term holders do, and you're buying that stock back at a lower price, making money when it drops. So when everybody is selling, air quotes everybody, you want to be there selling as well. Basic supply and demand. If there's more supply than there is demand, price goes down. Price goes down fast. So be aware of short selling. We've got several videos on it. We talk about it on the podcast. StocksToTrade Pro, we talk about short selling every day. Learn it, test it, track it, and be ready for when that market crash comes. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in StocksToTrade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.